Signing in is your step one. Step two is managing your folders. If you don't know how to create a folder, this part will tell you how to do that. So you go to New in the top left-hand corner of your screen while you're in Google Drive, underneath the Google Drive icon on the left-hand side. Click on New. That will give you various new options, one of which is New Folder. If you click on that, you then get the option to create a new folder, which you can then name at that time. Name it Coursework or something similar, and then create. Click. Once in that folder, you can then use any of the other Google Doc, Google Spreadsheets, as in Google Sheets, different platforms. If you do it inside that folder, automatically everything you do will be saved in that folder, which means even if you end up doing it as untitled document 1, which would be a very silly thing to do, it's still saved there in that folder automatically and accessible either at school, at home, anywhere else, as long as you sign in using that particular Gmail address. So let's have a look at Google Docs. Automatically you get given the option to create in shared folder. Your untitled document, you can click into the space marked untitled document and rename it straight away, or it will name itself from the first thing you give it. Google Docs works like Word. You can format, you can change words, you can resize, colour and so on. It's quite useful if you don't have Word as an option, which a lot of people don't. If you're cheap, like me, you don't want to spend the money on Office 365. Make sure you've named it something in the top left-hand corner. Saving with a proper name helps, because ultimately you don't want to have to sift through 57,000 untitled document 1, untitled document 2, and so on. But you can have a play with it, use it for writing any notes you might have and so on. If you open your work in the folder, it will be saved.